thank you very much, Ma'am Jenny Lunga. Once again, a round of applause to Miss Jenny Lunga. And now, let's proceed. This is one of the highlights of this year's Takbo para sa Kalikasan. So guys, before we proceed with Takbo para sa Kalikasan, let's start, of course, to congratulate the organizers, not only Green Media Events, but also come from Apple Runners for the success of Race to Reforest Apple Half Marathon. That's over 4,000 runners, right, Sir Darwin? That's over 4,000 runners participating the cause of Race to Reforest Apple Half Marathon. And as we earlier we already discussed by Ma'am Jenny, sabi niya kanina, since last year we planted 5,000 trees. This year we are targeting to plant 10,000 trees just for this year. So, hindi namin kaya yon. I myself, I joined the tree planting activities in Rizal. Hindi siya ganun kadali because you need to hike a little bit. Like if you're not into hiking, if you're into running on paved, medyo maninibago ka. It's also a perfect advantage for those, especially like yung mga corporate partners natin, to come along with us to plant trees. Para na rin, like, meron kayong mga activities outside of running, like hiking, tree planting at the same time, right? So with that, we are still looking for other provincials and regionals. Like, if you guys have like something na running clubs or corporate partners in Bulacan, wala pa kami natatap doon. In Batangas, we already have, and just in Tanay Rizal, which is our suki, lagi nang nandun. So, Pampanga, meron na rin pala, courtesy of the, I think, si Jainer, pitching Jainer. So, that's the one of the highlights. And save the date because we'll be having the first leg of the series, which is the Fire Run. That's gonna be happening on May 4. So medyo summertime. That's why it's slated on May 4. That's Fire Run. And on July 20, hindi ko mabasa, sorry. July 20, it's Wet in Wild. It's a Wet and Wild run. Remember that time, parang I think in 2023, medyo pag sinabing during that water run, medyo talagang binabagyo tayo. But still we survived and we conquered water run. And after that, on September 28, meron tayong air run. And before we proceed, before the culminating activity, which is the Earth Run, which is the 4th Element Series, we'll be having a different edition happening in Clark, Pampanga. Those who live by the central Luzon, pwede nyo pong salihan, which is October 5, Takbo para sa Kalikasan, Pampanga Edition. Speaking of Pampanga Edition, we also selected, I think, the discretion of the organizers, Manjana Lumba, to select whoever will be the running ambassadors from Pampanga Edition. And that, on November 16, on the bare months, we'll be having the Earth Run. Alright? So once again, these are the events, just some of the events of Green Media Events Company, which is very inclined with helping not only for the environment, but for the people as well. Because I believe, hindi lang talaga ito yung mga causes na binibigyan. Just last year, I think, we did run for the LGBT. That's for Home of the Golden Case. Diba? So here in Pasay, and a lot of worthwhile causes happened last year sa Bahay San Jose in Tagaytay, Save the Pawikans, and a lot more of activities worthwhile causes, courtesy of Green Media Events. Alright? And for the venue, it's gonna be happening, meron iba-iba siya. Oo. For Fire Run, it's slated to happen on May 4, which is in Quirino Grandstand here in Manila. And for the Water Run, it's gonna be a new for everyone, but not for some. Sa mga lagi nang sumasali ng Takbo para sa Kalikasan, which is lagi tayong nandun sa CCP complex. I think the reason why we move to other places, I think, is we become more and more, mas bigger na ang Takbo para sa Kalikasan. And that's because of your support. That's because of your word of mouth to the people, not only in the running community, kasi meron tayong napipitch na merong mga corporate partners who's having some CSRs, of course, partnering with us. And on September 28, it's gonna be in SM Mall of Asia again. Tapos babalik ulit tayo ng Quirino Grandstand. So that's it for the save the date of this year's Takbo para sa Kalikasan and also Takbo para sa Kalikasan Pampanga edition. If you guys are quite wondering, well actually meron na, suot nyo na ngayon, ano nga ba yung entitlements of this year's edition? We would like to call on, of course, the running ambassadors.